Good morning, class 9. Welcome again to geography class. We discussed some of the important questions in the last class. I'm sure you all have memorized and you also have written neatly. We'll start with one more question today. Why is the difference between day and night duration hardly felt at Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu but not so in Kashmir? So that the duration is 45 minutes in Kanyakumari, but in Kashmir the duration of day and night is more than 5 hours. So why is that difference? The answer is here. The axis rotation, you know, Earth rotates on its axis of the Earth is tilted at 23.5 degree to the perpendicular at the equator. It does not cause any time difference between day and night throughout the year, but north or south of it duration vary. Kanyakumari is close to equator while Kashmir is far away. So this difference is felt in Kashmir in winter or summer but not at Kanyakumari. So therefore students, we know at the equator there is a equal duration of day and night throughout the year, 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night. The earth, the sun's rays fall vertically on equator, but as we go away from equator, the area they receive slanting ray. Kashmir is far away from equator, whereas Kanyakumari very close to equator. Therefore, the duration is hardly felt at Kanyakumari, but in Kashmir it is more than 5 hours. Okay, so now India is located in Asia. This is Asian continent, and India is centrally located in Asia. How it is centrally located? If you see Japan is towards the northeast of India, centrally located, and Africa, Europe is towards its northwest. Towards northwest it is Europe, and towards southwest it is Africa, and towards the southeast it is Australia. So you can see India, a country, it is equidistant from these all important countries and continents of the world. India, therefore we can say India is the southward extension of Asia, and it is at the head of Indian, this is Indian Ocean, at the head of Indian Ocean. So this central location of India at the head of Indian Ocean, it is having some great benefits, locational advantage. So let us discuss which are the merits, the benefits. The central location of India is having certain merits, benefits. Let us discuss which are those advantages and merits. So the central location of India at the head of Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. Why? Because it has given India a strategic advantage due to trans-Indian ocean routes, which connects the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia. Now this also helps India to establish close contacts with West Asia, Africa, and Europe from the western coast, and East Asia from the eastern coast. We have lots of harbors and ports here on both sides, west coast and the east coast. Now we also have vast coastline, and the natural harbors, they all have benefited India in carrying out trade and commerce with all our neighboring countries and distant countries as well. Therefore, it has given India a distinct climate than the rest of the Asian continent. One more benefit we have of this locational merit advantage, we have northern mountain in form of the highest mountains in the world in form of Great Himalaya. Even most advanced nation, mechanized army, they can't cross the Himalayas.
Then the peninsula, Indian peninsula, Lakshadweep group of island and Andaman Nicobar group of islands, they greatly increase the EEZ, exclusive economic zone of India, allowing ownership of sea line resources. So the resources which lie in the water, okay, that is 200 nautical miles from the coast, we can use those resources. So we have ownership of sea line resources. Indian Navy is the most powerful navy in Indian Ocean and can project power anywhere in the Indian Ocean. And then we also have India is very close to Gulf countries. Now Gulf countries are very rich in oil and gas, we know. So India has full control over global oil shipping passing through Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. World's 40% shipping traffic passes through the Arabian Sea.